Tell me about a product that you love. Sounds simple, right? But most of the aspiring product managers and product managers mess this up. Why? Because they list down the list of the features, which is a big mistake. In this video, I'll be sharing with you that how you should answer this question properly, smartly, so that you will stand out from the rest. So before we will dive into this thing that how to answer this question, it is important for you to understand that why this question matters, why this question is important. Because the first thing is that it's not about the interviewer don't want to know about your favorite product, that which is your favorite product. It is about that how you think as a product manager. Because in the product manager interview, what interviewer is trying to evaluate is your thinking process, how structured you think. Okay, and what the interviewer is checking in this particular interview when they are asking you this question, first of all they are trying to understand that do you understand user problems, can you explain what makes the product work, and can you suggest smart improvements into it. This is what something that the hiring manager or the recruiter is trying to evaluate over there. So to answer this, let me introduce you to a pilot framework, okay, that will help you stay organized, keep your answer organized in a structured way that will showcase your real product thinking, because that is something that the hiring manager is exactly looking for, that how you think about that. Okay, so let's dive into that thing. So let's understand the pilot framework. Here P stands for the problem. What user problem does this product solves? Secondly is the insight. What is the unique approach or deeper value does this product bring into the life of the customers? Why? Because you are mentioning that you like it. Okay, what it will bring. Okay, so what unique approach it is having? Next is the love. What part of the product make you genuinely love using it, why you are loving it? And then the opportunity, if you were the PM, what would you improve in this particular product? And then what the T stands for, takeaway. What does this say how about how you think as a product manager, because that is something that they are trying to evaluate over here. Okay, so when you use this pilot framework, this makes your answer memorable, structured, and like a story with a depth with this pilot framework if you are using it. Okay, so let's try to understand this thing with a very simple example of an application called Duolingo. Okay, so let's dive into each of these things one by one. So what P stands for problem, what user problem does it solve? It helps in learning a language, because learning a language nowadays is hard, a different language, and it is boring for the most of the people. That is the problem out there. Okay, what unique approach or deeper value does it bring, this Duolingo app? Duolingo makes learning fun by using the game mechanics. If you have used, you know that it is gamifying that learning experience over there. And what is something that you genuinely love about this product? So let's suppose I love the streak feature that builds the habit without any sort of pressure over me. Then what's the opportunity? What's the opportunity over there? I would add small live practice rooms or peer groups learning with others to boost the confidence, because over there currently I am learning alone. So even though I can think, okay, I've learned a lot, but when we practice with the other peers, it boosts my confidence. And then is the takeaways. Okay, so as a pm I value products that create real behaviors change through design. That's how I think when building the features. So basically it will give you, through this you will give your final takeaway. Okay, so that's all for this video. Follow me for more such insights on product management and to crack the product management role. Not only this, if you are interested in becoming a product manager, in that case you can go to the description, click on the link and book a one-on-one demo call with us. And in that particular call, my team will be crafting a detailed strategic step-by-step path for you to making a smooth and easy transition into product management role. So that's all for this video.